In today's session, we are going to see the exercise of Chapter 2 Functions of Management. Question number 1a. Select the correct option and rewrite the statement. First one. The function of management start with dash function. Answer is B. Planning. Second one. The function of management ends with dash. Answer is C option controlling. Third one, dash sets out the standards for controlling. Answer is B1, planning. Fourth one, organization function is important for execution of the plan that have been prepared by dash management. Answer is A1, top level management. Fifth one, dash is a function which support to activate the planning with the help of employees. Option is B1, directing. Sixth one, dash is a function of execution according to the plan and organizational structure. Option is B1, directing. Seventh one, dash arranges the work in such a way that minimize the conflicts are raised. Answer is A1, coordination. B1 match the pair. Group A and Group B is given. First one A1 planning. Answer is third one. Deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do and who is to do it. B1 organizing and the answer is sixth one. Decide the way and the means to achieve what has been planned. C1 staffing. Ninth is the option. It is a process of recruiting, selecting, placing and remunerating. D1 directing. The option is first one. It is a process of instructing, guiding, communicating and motivating. E1 coordinating. The answer is second one. It is an integration of the efforts of groups. C1. Give one word, phrase or a term for the following statement. First one, the right person at a job with right pay. Answer is staffing. Second one, a person who shows the right path as well as guides employee in solving the problem. Answer is directing. Third one, first function of management. Answer planning. Fourth one, last function of management. Answer controlling. Fifth one, it is an intellectual process of logical thinking and rational decision making. Answer planning. Sixth one, the term that is used to denote the structure. Answer is organization. Seventh one, it is a process of attracting, recruiting, selecting, placing, appraising, and remunerating the people. Answer is staffing. Eighth one, the process that leads the employee towards the accomplishment of organizational goal. Answer is directing. Ninth one, it increases the team spirit of workplace. Answer is coordinating. Tenth one, it is a process of comparing the actual performance with a predetermined standard performance. Answer is controlling. D1, state whether the following statement are true or false. First one, every function of a management is not based on planning. False. Second one, specialization in activity leads to increase in organizational efficiency. True. Third one, qualified, efficient and skilled workforce is always an asset of the organization. True. Fourth one, cooperation is not necessary for the smooth flow of organizational activity. False. Fifth one, coordination motivates the employee to take initiative while completing their assigned task. True. Sixth one, standards are not set for every performance in controlling function. False. Even find the odd one. First one, planning, organizing, staffing, and writing. The odd one is writing. Second one, selecting, training, coordinating, placing. The odd one is coordinating. F1, complete the sentence. First one, the task of getting the things done by the other is known as dash. Answer is management. Second one, the functions of a manager starts with dash. Answer is planning. Third one, the dash functions of a management initiate the action. Answer is directing. Fourth one, recruitment are done under dash function. Answer is staffing. Fifth one, dash is a fundamental functions of management. Answer is planning. Sixth one, dash integrate the departmental activity for achieving the common goal of the organization. Answer is coordinating. Seventh one, dash is the last function of management. Answer is controlling. G1, select the correct option from the bracket. First one, planning is a detailed plan of dash course of action. The answer is future. Second one, directing is a responsibility of dash at all levels. Answer is manager. Third one, qualified, efficient, and skilled workforce is always and dash of the organization. Answer is asset. J1, arrange in proper order. First one, controlling, organizing, planning. The proper order is planning, organizing, controlling. Now second one, directing, coordinating, staffing. The proper order is staffing, directing, coordinating. I1, correct the underlined words and rewrite the following sentences. First one, factors of business environment are always fixed. Answer is changing. Second one, staffing is concerned with machines. Answer is human. Third one, directing is a function of comparing the actual performance with a predetermined performance. Answer is controlling. Fourth one, coordination helps to maximize the wastage of resources and control the cost of work. Correct option is minimize. Fifth one, controlling measures are needed to some extent. Answer is flexible. In the second video of exercise, we are going to cover remaining part of the exercise in detail.